being shot at the same time by the Germans.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Victory Lakes, or 11 miles north of Violin, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Glassboro, Hamilton, Clayton, Berlin, Chislehurst, Newfield, Atco, Franklinville, Victory Lakes, Sicklerville, Williamstown, Malaga, Monroe Township, Folsom, and Collins Lakes. This includes Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 26 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Camden, and Gloucester.